welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government of India decides to shut down 41 mines within 1 kilometer buffer zone in Goa. MOEF overturns its previous notification, issues fresh notifications. NCP and Congress to contest Lok Sabha poll independently. Ravi Naik front runner for North, Luis Infalero or Francisco Sardinia for South. Assembly passes bill to steer MAE out of custodian issue, abolishes proprietorship passed on by Portuguese regime. MLA Vijay Sardesai raises Lusophone passes scam in house, questions on blatant printing of passes. Ramesh says it was miscalculation, not scam. And Pere Sports Complex to have synthetic hockey turf, assures Sports Minister. Groundwork to start after elections. And now the news in detail. In a shocking U-turn, Government of India has decided to shut down 41 mines within 1 kilometer buffer zone in Goa with immediate effect. The Ministry of Environment and Forest has overturned its own previous notification, proposing phasing out of the mines over a period of 5 to 10 years. The fresh notification contradicts Union government's own decision and recommends immediate shutdown.
This is the notification issued by Jayanti Natarajan when she was the Minister of Environment and Forests. Have a look. This column specifically recommends phasing out of mines falling under 1 kilometer buffer zone. Now have a look at this. This is the latest notification issued by current Minister of Environment and Forest Veerappa Moily. The only difference, the part about phasing out of existing mines is missing. It only reads, all mining, minor and major minerals, stone quarrying and crushing unit are prohibited with immediate effect. Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association called an urgent meeting in the evening and discussed the issue. The issue also got reverberated in the assembly with BJP MLA Ganesh Gaokar raising serious concern over the notification.
जेन्ना जयंती नटराजन मिनिस्टर असताना नोटिफिकेशनाचो ड्राफ्ट केल्लो तेन्ना त्या ड्राफ्टा भितर स्पेसिफिकली बरयल्लें अंडर आयटम 3 कमर्शियल मायनिंग stone quarrying and crushing units. And they remark asleलो, no mining activity shall be permitted beyond the phasing out time period of 5 years or 10 years. काल आता मोयली जाल्या थंय ते जाग्यार त्या मोयलीन परत ड्राफ्ट चेंज केला. ते कितें बरयलें तें मुद्दाम वाचता हांव. म्हाका दिसता माननीय विरोधी पक्ष नेते उलयले आसतले मोयली कडेन की अशें कर म्हणून. All new mining, minor major minerals, stone quarrying and crushing units are prohibited with immediate effect. हे काँग्रेसचे सरकार दिल्लीक आसा त्या मरणाचे शय्येचे आसतना सुद्दां गोंयकारांक अजूनय जर समाज जर काबार करपाचें ठरयता जाल्यार ह्या हावजांतल्यान आव्हान करता सगळ्या गोंयकारांक की हे जे आतां कितें चेंज केल्लें आसा काल जो ड्राफ्ट चेंज केल्लो आसा तो गोंयच्या सगळ्या लोकांच्या सामको वायट अत्यंत वायट परिस्थिती हाडपाचो आसा.
This will lead to immediate shutdown of 41 mines. Even if the Supreme Court allows resumption of mining with certain restriction, these mines will never be allowed to start. Bureau Report, Prudent.
NCP and Congress will contest Lok Sabha poll independently. Congress is confident of winning both North and South Goa seats. State President John Fernandez says the split will not have any effect on Congress's vote share. Last 15 years, Congress and NCP has contested elections in alliance. NCP is going ahead with Nilkant Halankar in North and Yuri Alemao in South, while Ravi Naik, Luis Infalero and Francisco Sardinia are in Congress's list. Congress and NCP are getting apart. In last 15 years, NCP had contested the North Goa seat and Congress from South Goa. However, NCP could never win the North seat. Now this time, Congress will contest North and South Goa seats independently.
Subsequently, we are going to fight the North Goa seat, Lok Sabha seat. After 2-3 terms, I think we couldn't fight it because that seat was given to NCP. and our candidates will be decided very soon. No, there is no alliance. They are going to fight their own. This was our seat. At the moment, we are told that we have to go ahead with the North Goa seat. Congress is strong enough to withstand that so-called division. There is not going to be any division because Congress is an organized party in Goa, and Congress has been an organized party in Goa.
Congress's working committee held its meeting on Friday. John Fernandez says Congress will declare its candidates by 15th March.
Because we did not wanted alliance to win, they wanted alliance. So it was our seat naturally. We will see that we win out the seat. We will win the seat and our cadres are very happy.
General Secretary of NCP Praful Patel has directed the NCP leaders in Goa to contest the Lok Sabha election without any alliance with Congress. NCP State President Nilkant Halankar was summoned to Delhi to decide about the candidature. Formal declaration of NCP candidates will likely be in coming week. Sources say Nilkant would contest from North and Yuri Alemao in South Goa. Sources say currently Ravi Naik and Luis Falero and Francisco Sardinia are figuring in the Congress's list. Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Assembly passed a bill to abolish proprietorship, title and grants of land by Portuguese regime to pave way for giving rights to people of Maye. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that this act is only for properties which were given to them through various positions by government. Alvara will not be covered under this act. This all stands abolished. Along with Maye, there are some pockets in Shirley.
Church property, temple property, those are not covered. This is only under title, म्हणजे पदव्यो आणि पदव्या बरोबर ज्यो जमनी आयल्ल्यो पळय त्योच जमनी. Very clearly it is here that for the purpose of avoidance of doubt, it is clarified that all grants or titles granted or given in grant by the elsewhere Portuguese government regime who enjoyed the title of Viscount, Conde, Marquess, etc. म्हणजे हाका टायटल जाका दिल्ली, जाका ते पदव्यो दिल्ल्यो पुर्तुगेज सरकारान, त्या पदव्या बरोबर जे ग्रांट्स आसा पळय तीच ग्रांट्स गेट्स एबॉलिश विथ दिस एक्ट. द ओनली रायट वीच एक्झिस्ट इज फायनान्शियल क्लेम, एनी क्लेम. त्यामुळे पयलीं हातून भितर कोणाक आल्वारा दिल्ली, कोणाक आनीक कशी तरी दिल्ली ती जमीन येना. पूण हातून भितर जो पळय दुसरो विशय काडटाले कोणे तरी जमीन गेला ताजोय अधिकार गेलो. इट्स ऑल एबॉलिश्ड. एनी सेल एग्रीमेंट, एनी ऑर्डर ऑफ द कोर्ट, एवरीथिंग इज एबॉलिश्ड.
खरोखरच एक राजकीय इच्छाशक्तीची गरज जी आसली हो प्रश्न सोडोवपा खातीर ती इच्छाशक्ती आमच्या सरकारान माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांच्या नेतृत्वा सकयल्या सरकारान दाखयल्ली आसा. खास करून माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांचो ह्या प्रश्नाच्या सोडवणुकी खातीर एक सिंहाचो वांटो आसा आनी तांणी दिल्लें उतार पाळून आज हो जो कायदो अस्तित्वान आयलो आसा
हो एक इतिहासीक आणि क्रांतिकारक असो धाडसी निर्णय आसा. आणि हो कायदो येयल्यानंतर संपूर्ण मयेची जनता जी आसा ही सुखी जातली, ह्या बद्दल कसलो दुबाव ना.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.